centered now? Are we good? Let me just like zoom in more. Okay, so I'm back with a new video, and you guys liked my Glossier video so much. I also appreciate all of you new subscribers that have joined the family and that do like my content. A lot of you guys were saying in the video that not a lot of YouTubers zoom in on porous / textured skin, and a lot of the PR that goes to influencers, they usually have really good skin to begin with. Like their pores are really small, the texture is really smooth. I've been taking care of my skin over the past year, so I have improved the texture, but it is more of a genetics thing with me. No matter what I do with it, I'm always going to kind of have that texture, even though yes, it has improved. I want to kind of look for makeup that really works well with it, and I'm going to let you guys know if I don't like it, what works, what doesn't. I'm going to go through this entire Milk makeup line for you guys and basically just test everything out. I do have the foundation, the concealer, the powders. We're really gonna dig through everything and just do a full face and see how it looks. And I've always wanted to try out Milk makeup, so I'm really excited. I've already dipped into their Milk toner. So I have two of the Milk powders here. One is in medium and then one is in deep, I think. So I think everything here is probably around $400. So we're gonna just test it and see if it's worth it to buy the entire line. It may not be. This video is not sponsored. I'm gonna be very honest about what I am putting on my face and how it feels. So I'm gonna start with this because I've already washed my face before this video started. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into this. I've been using this for the past, I would say, 3 days, and I absolutely love it. It's been a part of my skincare routine, and I feel like it really makes my skin have this cooling sensation that I love having for products because, again, I do have large pores. I'm gonna actually, before I start, I'm gonna zoom into my skin so you guys can see. These are not pimples. My skin is smooth, but yeah, you can see here, there's lots of texture going on. Yeah, we're gonna go in and I'm just gonna rub this into my face. It's just really nice and cooling, and I think it relaxes my skin as well. So, ooh, this feels really good. So now my face feels nice and cool. I'm just gonna kind of rub this into my skin a little bit before I go in with my primer and my serum and all that good stuff. Next, I'm gonna be going in with my Hot Cuisine Snail Serum. I love using like wrinkle serums on my face. I am getting older. I'm turning 27 in 2 months. I'm gonna put maybe like a couple of drops here so that it kind of goes over my entire face. Next, I'm gonna be going in with my Prem. It's called Safe Me. It's basically a 12 ingredient moisturizing lotion. I really do love this for my skin. I wear it morning and night, and whenever I wake up in the morning, my skin just feels really soft and nice. So I'm gonna be going in with this. This is also a Korean skincare product. Speaking of Korean skincare and I guess makeup, I'm gonna be doing a Kaja Beauty makeup review as well in the future. I just need to get some more money to buy more of the line. I already have their Mochi highlighter as well as their Trio eyeshadow thing. Okay, so my face is moisturized. I'm gonna go ahead and wait for a second before I put on my primer just to have everything soak into my skin more, so I will be right back. I'm gonna go in with my MAC primer in Mineralize Time Check Lotion, and it basically fills in pores and stuff like that, which I definitely need. I'm gonna go in with their Milk Makeup Blur Primer. Feel a difference? Not sure. I've definitely used this product in the past, and I'm not sure if I thought it was that spectacular. My favorite pore products were from Professional, from Benefits. I've used the It Cosmetics one, which I liked a lot. Kind of filling in my pores a little bit. Let me just kind of zoom in more. I'm not sure if people with textured skin like mine have really tried this product out to see if it works. Like, we have a lot to fill. So I'm not sure if this is gonna do the job on its own, but you know. And right now it feels very nice. It may not look as nice, but it feels pretty smooth. But I think next we're just gonna kind of go in with the foundation. I've never tried the foundation before, so this is gonna be a definite first for me. The color in Toffee. but I'm gonna tell you if it's worth it or not. The foundation, it's kind of liquidy. This is the consistency right now. It's kind of dripping down here. I will be using a beauty blender to blend in the formula. I have one right here. It's kind of used, but whatever. Okay, it's pretty warm for my skin, but I can still work with it. It's blending in really nice, actually. Not bad. So maybe this will be good because it's not gonna be too heavy for my skin, which I like products like that. Because the heavier it is, sometimes the more it kind of amplifies my pores and the texture into my skin. I'm also gonna zoom in while I kind of work the foundation in really quick so you can see. It almost feels like it has more of like a serum in here. Now, I feel like I could definitely go a shade lighter, but I think we'll be okay. My T-zone is a lot lighter than the rest of my face, and this obviously matches my forehead the best. Bring this down my neck, which also has some hyperpigmentation, but my pores don't look too bad. I'm pretty sure with the powder on, it's gonna look really nice though. So we're gonna see how that really makes everything nice and smooth. Okay, so now I'm gonna be going in with the Milk Makeup Concealer. This is their Flex Concealer. This is in the color Caramel, and it's looking like it's pretty close to my skin tone, and I really do like a lighter highlight, so I hope that this goes well underneath it. Oh, actually, this is a nice color. Okay, cool. It's a lot more thick than the foundation, of course, and it's not super watery, which I like. Seems like it would stay in place. And I guess I might be putting a lot, but I really want to conceal underneath my eye and see how this acts. I'm also just trying to sculpt my nose a little bit. Okay, so first impressions of this concealer, I really do like it. I like how it blends into the skin, and I like how it's not super watery. I don't mind watery concealers either, but if you want more coverage, of course, then this is something that I would definitely go for. I've been using ColourPop, and I've also been using the Tarte Shape Tape. I guess it's closest to the Tarte Shape Tape, but it's got a more, I don't know if the word is sticky, but I feel like it sticks like how the Tarte Shape Tape kind of sticks in place, and it just kind of stays there, which I like. It doesn't move around too much, and I hate my concealer to do that. So I could just kind of layer up on here, and it looks really nice and flawless after you put it in. My skin is taking very well to the concealer, so that's like one of my favorite products, I would say. I also think I like the foundation, but I have to see how it wears for the next few hours after I'm filming my next video. All right, so next, I'm excited about this. I'm gonna be trying out their powder. Does have a little net on the inside so that everything doesn't like spill out. I'll just use what they put in here. We're gonna use this tool. So I like to really press in my powder. I don't like to do a lot of baking because, again, I have large pores, and I've also watched Jackie Aina's videos about having large pores and just putting a bunch of powder in and then wiping it off, and it really kind of makes the texture stand out more. So ever since I've started actually really moving the powder into my skin, it's changed a lot. And as you can see, me just pressing the powder into my face is now a lot more smooth. Okay, and now I'm gonna be going in with the deep powder, and we're gonna see how this works. Alright, and so, I mean, from here it looks really good too. So for now, what I'm gonna do is, maybe I'm gonna just do a little bit of contouring on my nose. My lips feel dry, so I'm just gonna put something on it really quick. I don't mind mixing in products that I love because I'm not gonna be able to buy everything in different colors in the same line, so that's fine. I'm also going to use some of my Smashbox primer water on my face. I usually like to set my face after I put on like this much powder and foundation. Maybe I guess I can go on to my brows first. This is the Milk Makeup Kush Fiber Gel, and this is in the shade Grind. So it's looking like it's a dark brown color. I'm gonna be doing my eyebrows with this and just kind of making everything thicker and just I guess stay more in place. another product from their line, and it's also for brows, and this is their gel brow, and it's not sharpened, so I probably should sharpen it, but I'm kind of lazy to get my sharpener out right now. Here, just hope that it works. So let's see. I'm literally not going for anything perfect. I think that the brow gel is pretty good. I still like the Glossier formula a lot better. Okay, so these two are pigments. This one is an After Party, and then this color is in Rave. But I kind of want to go with the purple one because it looks more, I guess, I don't know, something that I normally wouldn't wear. Literally that much. Alright, so I just finished applying the eyeshadow. I do like how they advertise it. It's just kind of one monochromatic color on your lids. I've actually been using that kind of style on my Instagram more often these days, and I do really like it a lot. And people do seem to, I don't know, I guess they respond more to looks like these because they're just so simple yet very colorful and striking. Alright, so again, I'm going to be going in with the M Cosmetics Felt Tip Liner. They sent this to me a few weeks ago, and I've been using it ever since. I'm going to be showing you the Milk Makeup Kush Mascara. Make your lashes look a lot thicker than what they usually do and really lengthen them. I already have long lashes as well, so I always like to make them as thick as possible so I don't have to actually wear false lashes. I like what it does for my bottom lashes, but for the top, I just don't really see much of a difference. My favorite is the Lancome Hypnos Drama Mascara, and I think that does a lot more. Their blush, but I got the mini size version, and it is in the shade, oh, I forgot. I think the shade is Work, but it's basically like a nice mauvey tone, which I usually go for with blushes anyway, and also lip colors. I'm gonna pat into my skin. On my skin tone, this is showing up more pink, but I feel like I have to really press it in. Like I have to really work this in. Like it's not really coming up. I'm gonna have to powder over this. I can already see that now. I also don't like the color. It's just way too light for me. I don't like the formula of the Milk Makeup one that we just used. Next, we will be using the Milk Makeup Luminous Highlighter Stick, but we shall see. I'm just gonna kind of move it like this on my skin. I think this illuminator is kind of accentuating my pores. I would say for pores, this would probably be a no, and also it kind of rubs off on the makeup. I actually did purchase a different product for you guys to show because I think it's fairly new from their line. It is their face gloss. It looks like just plain gel. Probably put this on without any makeup on. I'm just gonna put this here. It's so funny, I'm an oily person, yeah, I'm putting the dew back into my skin. I'm gonna use a lip product right now, and I'm gonna be done with this look. I'm gonna use the color from Flesh Beauty. This is in the shade, or in the color Sprawl. Okay, so this is the full face of Milk Makeup. I obviously didn't use the Milk Makeup lip product, but I don't have one at the moment. I thought that this lip and cheek product was going to work, but I did not like this, so I will not be using it. At least I did not like this shade, so. Also, I felt like it was picking up the foundation while I was putting on, so I probably wouldn't be wearing this product again. I'm gonna come back to you guys in about maybe 30 minutes to an hour, depending on how long it takes me to film the video. And we'll just talk about, you know, how everything kind of set in. Okay, so I'm back. My face is slightly dewy, but I don't really mind it because the face gloss is really helping to pull everything together. Of course, in my T-zone area, it just gets naturally oily on its own, but my pores still don't look super huge regardless. I think up close, maybe on this side, it looks pretty crazy. I have more of an issue with it more here. Maybe I won't be using the foundation as much as I would with my other ones. I personally really do like the Amazonian Clay Full Coverage Foundation the most, but if you guys are wanting a look on very porous / textured skin, this is it, because I have that. And I feel like from far away, it doesn't look that bad. And for pictures, it probably wouldn't look that bad either. That's it for this video. If you guys want me to try out more full face products for anything, not even just textured skin, but in general, please let me know. This was a full face Milk makeup review, and I think the verdict so far is that I kind of like it. I kind of don't really care for it as much. I do like the face gloss. I do like the lid products a lot. They look really, really pigmented and cute. I do like the concealer a lot. Blur primer probably works a lot better on skin that already is a lot less texture than mine. It won't really keep your pores filled or in check, so I don't really recommend this. Did like the matcha toner. I thought it was very cooling. It feels good and nice in the skin, and it really makes your skin feel really soft, so I do recommend this as well. And yeah, I think that's it for this video. We are almost at 40,000 subscribers, so I'll be doing a live stream whenever that happens, maybe like in the next couple of days or so. So stay tuned for that, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye!